Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to create custom Genmoji in iOS 18. To create custom Genmoji, open any text app like iMessage, in my case, right? And let's say as if I'm creating a new message now, I'm gonna press the emoji on my keyboard. And instead of choosing an emoji, right, I'm gonna go ahead to Genmoji and describe a Genmoji, basically, or add a suggestion from the list. So let's say dinosaur. Sorry. Yeah. Dinosaur. Hold on for a sec. Yeah, dinosaur dancing. Just wait it out. Okay. You're gonna see dinosaur dancing in no time. Make sure to type a description of what you want, like pink flamingo with tap dancing shoes. Swipe through the AI generated options and tap add here to insert it. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time.